Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone, and we should also have the information right here at the device list that it's do not connected. If you have Android, it will move to the saved devices, and after that you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and it can fix a lot of small problems. And now we should see that it's connected. Sometimes it happens that earbuds don't want to reconnect automatically, so you just tap on it, or you can also remove your earbuds from the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!